It's
Learn a clock.
Welcome to Digital Dictionary.
Welcome back to another fun-filled video of drawing and coloring. Today we will watch and learn how to draw and color a cute little baby zebra. But before we begin, I would like to tell you a fun fact about zebras. Did you know that no two zebras are the same? Each zebra has a unique pattern of stripes, much like human fingerprints. No two zebras have the same stripe pattern. Surprising, isn't it? Let's start our drawing now. Go grab your art pads and pencils. Look closely and try to draw along with me. You may pause the video if you find it difficult to catch up. And here our artwork is ready. Do let me know in the comments that how did you like my today's artwork and what would you like to learn next?